Name is Muhammad Farid Dahar Usman. Okay, today we discuss about the make emergency if or give the emergency treatment for the injuries open wounds. Okay, among the principle of the first aid, firstly we can save the save the life. Second, reduce the pain, avoid the worsening condition, and seek medical help or send to the hospital. So we should do how we should do. Firstly, apply the pressure over the wounds as helper hotline or emergency hotline is 999 rise the injury area to reduce the blood sugar, secure the dressing with a bandage, show through the dressing if occur bleeding, and support injury part in with a sling or bandage, and monitor, and the last, monitor and record the causality vital signs. Okay, how to stop the bleeding? So the first way to stop the bleeding or reduce the bleeding, press the injured part. Okay, this is don't allow the vein is not clot is an initial process to reduce the bleeding. So this is second way, lifting the injured part of the body to a higher level from the head. So for example, if you once at a finger, you can lifting the injured level in your head. So this is can reduce the flow blood atau this is can reduce the blood flow. So third way to stop the bleeding, pressing the pressure point where the blood vessels flow towards the area injury. For example, if your finger is injury, maybe this is you can you can pressing the area pressure point. For example, maybe this is a pressure point to stop the bleeding in area finger. So the fourth way to stop the bleeding, using the tourniquet. Using the tourniquet is done bleeding if the bleeding is getting stronger and it is difficult to stop. So for example, if you bleeding in your finger or in your hand is very difficult to stop, we can use the tourniquet to help the reduce this bleeding or stop the bleeding. So to stop the bleeding, we can use the wrapping to stop the bleeding. So if the wounds are very severe and wound very large, we should be using the wrapping. For example, we can use the bandage, elastic wrapping, and cloth. In case in emergency area, no the bandage and elastic wrapping, we can use the original cloth from the patient or from you. So this is can reduce the bleeding. So wrapping the cloth bandage material on the wounds area for the stop and for the reduce the bleeding. So if a small wound, can use the plaster to stop the bleeding. So after this, after you give the treatment to the victim, you can, once the severely injured, you should be sent to the victim to hospital for the further treatment. Also you should also be given attention from the victim to help the pain and to other bleeding. And last, the victim also need to give the peace and get rid of anxiety, fear from the victim. So this is way. This is how you to do if uh, if you give the emergency treatment from the injury open wounds. Okay, this is that's all. Thank you.